Are you looking for the best rivet nut tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rivet nut tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, STARTO Rivet Installation Tool with Carry Case. STARTO 14 inches Rivet Nut Tool is a top-rated rivet nut tool that will serve you longer. This is because of the premium construction using quality carbon steel material. Besides this, the handles have been covered using rubber material to offer a soft, easy hold. Apart from this, the tools are packed in a quality hard carrying case for better portability. Moreover, the tools are widely applicable to most operations. Again, this rivet nut tool has a length of 14 inches that allows easy comfy hold. Besides this, the nut tool has a labor-saving operation and, therefore, a fantastic operation that will serve accordingly. It also has a total of 6 interchangeable pieces plus 21 pieces of rivet nuts to ensure reliable convenient operation. At number 4, REXBETI 14 inches Rivet Nut Tool with 7 metric and SAE mandrels. You need to consider the number of metric mandrels that will suit your operations. Here is a pack that comes with a total of 7 metrics and SAE mandrels to handle a wide range of activities. Besides this, the product has a total of 60 pieces of rivet nuts that will serve longer for all tasks. That said, the tool is crafted using premium thick carbon steel material to bring about prolonged use and stability. What is more, the nut tool has an ergonomic design, which implies you can comfortably hold it when working. Additionally, it comes in a convenient carrying case for portability and storage. At number 3, M&R Industrial Riveting Tools with Nut Setting System. With this quality labor-saving rivet nut tool, you can easily handle most operations. The unit has a length of 16 inches and, therefore, is a great option you never want to miss. The tool is highly versatile and reliable to handle most tasks. Apart from this, it comes with a total of 12 pieces of mandrels, and with the non-slip handles, you can easily hold the unit for better performance. Again, the product is very sturdy and stable to withstand prolonged use and stability. The lower price of the product makes it a fantastic option to try out. At number 2, Weddles 14 inches Rivet Nut Tool with 7 metric and inch mandrels. This is another special option of a rivet nut tool you may consider when shopping for the products. This tool is easy to carry and convenient to store thanks to the premium quality carrying case included. Apart from this, the unit is carefully built using quality heat-treated chrome steel material that will withstand prolonged use and stability. Besides this, the rivet nut tool is rust and corrosion resistant, which ensures that it guarantees prolonged uses and safety. Also, the nut tool is fitted with non-slip rubber handles for a comfy hold. At number 1, Astro Pneumatic Tool Hand Rivet Nut Setter Kit. Astro Pneumatic Tool 13 inches Rivet Nut Tool is an exceptional product that you will find excellent for your operations. The product has a tool-less change head design for elementary operation. Apart from this, the product has a length of 13 inches and, therefore, is comfortable to use. It has non-slip rubber handles and, therefore, is a fantastic option you never want to miss. Additionally, the rivet nut tool comes with a total of 6 interchangeable mandrels that will suit your operation needs. Furthermore, the tool is built using the highest quality of material to guarantee years of use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.